just want skin like Ashley. Okay, look at little shit with the fatty. I just want you to call me daddy. I'm tryna be a daddy, but I ain't your real daddy. You need your ass with a baby, a baddie. But twerk if you know you a bad bitch. Drop it, shake it, drop it, shake it. I see you eat rice and cabbage. She turn around like, what's that? I said that's where the blick at, clip at, stick at. Ass so fat, might cook clack. She like, how you get it in? I'm like, they don't even search my dick at. Flexed on me, 6-pack.
40 minutes earlier.
So me and Papa stopped at your local shop and we're trying to get something to eat. Because it's our beach day, we decided to just stay today. So we're gonna get some bami. So we want to feel tourist like, so we're gonna get bami and bananas. And probably coconut water, who knows. So welcome to Alligator Pond. Mateo, you're feeling the beach today? See that we are at the beach. I'm in my bathing shorts. Alright, so we're gonna walk up the beach now. Let's go, Papa. Don't walk in the water, you hear? We're gonna walk away from the water.
Some niggas bring the cracks out and listen down. Why are they
all the way up there. All the way down there. So this is the danger of the environment. River, up the river, so you can see the big fish there, and as you can see, more fish carcass is more seen. So it's a concern that we have to take care of our environment, because walking up the beach, I'm seeing all these dead fishes. Yes, it is a blood clot. So we see these birds and they remind us of Mindfully Me. Well, yeah. See me! I saw some birds. There they are. See them fly up. Gonna fly up. Let's capture those. Very good. Nicely done, ladies. Run up with a song for us. Yes, don't you love us? Thank you. Give us a show, birdies. Give us a show, nature. Give us a show, man. Thank you. Say thank you, nature. Nature. Thank you. Thank you. I live on the West Indies, Papa. Say a coffee. West Indies, though. Yeah. We B for beach. Mateo, what is the letter B for? B. Say beach. Come on. Come on. Nicely say beach. B. Yeah. I can remember me the one about that pussy. It's a something in the red of fire. But I got them on it. Yes, we good. Alright, so Mateo wins. Start.
Yeah.